everything.
Wow, what's this glowing goo?
Holy ouchie! It's really hot. Wow, this is so cool! Hey, a farting rock! Awesome, so cool! Look how strong I am! I hit the ground and it starts shaking! Huh? Hold on! Oh
Oh, Chi-Chi, stop that! You're scaring me!
Huh? That wasn't me this time! Everybody
Brooklyn!
Hi there, Face here. Do you know what a bear sucker is trying to get her friends out of in a volcano adventure video? So, you're not gonna try to get a really good setting when they're trying out when it's very hot. But, when sometimes they were getting very, very, really hurt. But never mind, they were trying to get it really so sad. Don't worry, here's another YouTube video. So stay tuned and see you later!